Hello class, when you click on the link, this is the page that you're going to see, milestones and actions. The videos that you are looking for is, well, first of all, you're going to look here and kind of move all the way down through videos. So this actually has toolkits for all of milestone checklists that are really helpful for different children. That can be really helpful as a tool. Information, so I'd like you to read all of this information top to the bottom. Here's a sample record keeping worksheet that can be helpful if you're going to deal with parents trying to keep track of those milestones and what's happening. If you keep on moving down, you've got more information, what to say, early intervention, what to do. So if you do a little bit of that reading through to that time. Next, these free materials you don't have to download, but I want you to know that they're there. These tools for tracking milestones are exceptional in terms of it goes exactly by the month of the child and gives you a full checklist of what it is. A lot of people don't have apps. You certainly don't need to download a milestone tracker, but that is these checklists right here actually can be very helpful. Also, there are some books here you can be able to look or print out or see. That's kind of nice to read, and also information about development. So it's nice to have tip sheets that you can just use in different languages in terms of what to do, especially if you're running your own daycare. Then you have flyers the CDC has made. Again, one of these complications, here's some cute growth charts. One of the complications, especially with our timing, has been not being able to really get to the doctor as much as possible. And so that is the case. I'm pretty sure you can get to the videos right down here as well as back over there. So it says right here, resources. It's not the one. Sorry for my slowness. I just saw where it said the video was there. But you can also go up here to the top and then you just go to videos. You do not have to watch this first video. It just tells you like download the tracker. It's going to come up in just a second here. You don't really need to watch that video. There are videos that are copied in English and Spanish. I would probably pick a couple of these videos to like look at and watch and know that they're here. They're only a couple minutes a piece. So they're talking about the signs, the doctors, all of that kind of stuff. You see all these videos are right here. You can see the ones that are in Spanish as well. But you don't have to watch all of them for your assignment, but I would just kind of look. It's nice to know that it's there. A lot of what I've offered you is resources in order to help you know what is available out there. So I hope that helps you find the videos that we're talking about in here, and I wish you luck on reading. Okay, bye.